Ever wondered what sets the iPhone X Pro Max apart from the rest of the iPhone family? Today we delve into the intricacies of this unique device, exploring its features one by one. As if taken from the canvas of a futuristic artist, the iPhone X Pro Max boasts a sleek design that speaks volumes about its high-end status. Its sturdy glass and stainless steel body not only provides a robust feel, but also adds a touch of elegance that is hard to resist. The first striking feature of the iPhone X Pro Max is its massive 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. This stunning screen offers a resolution of 2682 by 1242 pixels, immersing you in a world of vibrant colors and sharp images. Whether you're watching your favorite movie or playing a high-definition game, this display promises an unparalleled viewing experience. Moving on to the camera, the iPhone X Pro Max takes photography to a whole new level. Equipped with a triple-lens rear camera setup, it offers a 12-megapixel wide lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. This combination allows for incredible photo and video quality with stunning depth and clarity. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The iPhone X Pro Max is powered by the A13 Bionic chip, Apple's fastest chip yet. This powerhouse of a processor not only ensures a seamless performance, but also optimizes battery life, allowing for up to 5 hours more than the iPhone XS Max. Now let's talk about the battery. The iPhone X Pro Max houses a hefty 3,969 mAh battery. With this, you can enjoy up to 20 hours of talk time, up to 80 hours of audio playback, or up to 18 hours of video playback. That's more than enough to keep you entertained throughout the day. In summary, the iPhone X Pro Max is a marvel of technology, offering a superior display, an exceptional camera system, a powerful processor, and an impressive battery life. Its sleek design and robust build further enhance its appeal, making it a worthy addition to the iPhone family. So, there you have it. The iPhone X Pro Max, a device that truly embodies the spirit of innovation. It's not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's not just about staying connected, it's about standing out. The iPhone X Pro Max is indeed a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible.